Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Saif Hatab, cybersecurity professional based in the US, and I will be sharing my experience in cybersecurity, technology, and productivity. So join me every week as I address various topics that will help you grow as a cybersecurity professional or help you get into cybersecurity. One of the main reasons I'm creating this channel is to document my journey in cybersecurity, as it requires constant learning. So I will be sharing my experience in learning new concepts, preparing for certifications, and of course, my real life experience as cybersecurity professional. So welcome and stay tuned for more.